Hello, beautiful gems. How are you guys? Hope you guys are having a fabulous, fabulous, amazing day. I have to fix my hair every time I come on here. I don't know why. Anyway, I am Sanov, and here on my channel, I do lifestyle, DIYs, fashion, which I call bougie and ballin' on a budget. We do challenges like our recent challenge, shopping at Burlington or your favorite store if you didn't have a Burlington near you, like Ross or TJ Maxx, or your favorite place. And I also do get ready with me's and makeup and chit chat and inspiration, and we just have fun over here on this channel. We just have fun. And so I'd love for you to be a part of this channel. So welcome, beautiful gems. Welcome to this channel. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Subscribe button below. Because I know you want to stay. I know you do. I know you do. And hit the notification bell so you can see all of the wonderful videos that I put out over here on this channel, because you are a certified, legit, exclusive member of the Beautiful Gems team. And so thank you so much for joining me today. I am being a part of a open collab that's hosted by Bella D Designs and a couple of her friends. I'm looking down because I want to read off who they are. It is, let's see, Miss Deborah and Kylie. So it's the three of them, the three amigos, Bella, Deborah, and Kylie, and they are hosting this fabulous collab that I'm participating in today. And so the challenge was to find something for $20 for your to DIY or for decor for Valentine's Day in your home. And so I've got a little area in my, I don't like to do a lot of decor in my beauty room, but I wanted to do just a little something, and so I'm going to show you guys what I did. But first, I'm going to show you what I bought. Let you know I did stick to the challenge. Did I stick to the challenge? Did I stick to it? I sure did. All right, I have been wanting for the longest time these little perfume bottles. Yes, that's my Les Parfum Bottles. That's my little French. I took Spanish in high school, y'all. Anyway, so it's Crystal Parfum Bottles, and here they are. They are Oleg Cassini bottles, $3, and as you can see, that Marshall's tag. And so I really love these bottles. They're crystal. I don't know if they're picking up. There they are. They're crystal and gorgeous. Oh, so gorgeous. Look at that. I mean, just gorgeous. And so, to me, nothing says, be my Valentine and I love you like perfume. You want to show how much your hubby or significant. I'm thinking all about hubby right now. I'm thinking it's all about him today. You want to, yes, because for that special date, you want to smell good and look good on your special date. And so I got some things for him, and I wanted to decorate just a little my beauty room and not overdo it, because I just like a little accents in my beauty room, not much. And so that was this one. As you can see, it's got the round bottle top, that crystal bottle top, and these have been so expensive, guys. I have priced them and priced them and priced them and priced them. The tag's not there, so I got another one, and this one has the square or rectangular head, well, square, and a different design here. And it was also $3. $3. Yes. And then I got another shape. All right. Here. See that? Look at that crystal head. Oh my gosh. That's so beautiful. And so I just think this is going to be a nice little accent to my so they come off, but this is going to be a nice little accent to my beauty room, and you just pour in there, and I can now have to go back and shop for some more perfumes, which hubby usually gives me some perfumes, and I kind of got a little tip that I was going to get some more perfume for Valentine's Day, because that's one of the gifts that I get and usually get, sorry. And so I thought I'd go ahead. He was like, why don't you go and pick those up? I was like, why? Well, somebody might like to buy you some perfume. Really? So I'm like, okay, I'll do it. All right, Mama do it. Because Mama loves you. Mama's going to smell good for you. All right. And so, yes, that's also our Gemspiration tip of the week. Love the people that love you. And so make sure you're doing special things for hubby. So when he walks in the door, or your significant other, when they walk in your special area or your beauty room, that they know that there's a place for them and that you're displaying the wonderful, beautiful gifts that they give you. When they think of you and it says, they're saying, I love you with their gifts. Then when they walk in your special space, your beauty room or your vanity or your little area, makeup area, wherever it is in the bathroom or in your bedroom, wherever it might be, they can walk by the table and see those beautiful things that are displayed that they got for you. And so he bought these for me as my pre-Valentine's gift in anticipation of some of the more gifts to come. He was like, well, it's so, I was going to get you some things anyway, but since it's so early, I'll go ahead, and you're doing this challenge, I'll go ahead and get this for you for Valentine's Day now. And so love him. I love me some him. And so not only is this my gift, but for Valentine's Day for hubby, but it's also my decor. And when I saw these, I was like, yes, I put everything else back I had. And I was like, I gotta get these. And so my total was, that was my total. Yes. That was my total. Yes. And I balled it. I just wanted to get the things that I love, the things that I need, the things that I wanted. You did have a $20 limit, but I'm going to reshop some of the other things in my home, which is also a little budgeting tip, to add to this, these decorations that I've done. And I'm going to show you a picture of that so you can see it now. And so this is it. This is the gorgeousness for Valentine's Day that I've added to my beauty room. It's so gorgeous with this beautiful addition of these perfume bottles from hubby, my Valentine's gift. Oh, they're just so gorgeous. Each one is different and they're gorgeous, amazing, and beautiful. And each one for me stands for my the beautiful, wonderful people that I love in my life, my hubby, my daughter, and my son, who I just adore and I love so much. And this is it, and it is on my jewelry stand. Give you a little peek. I'll have to give you guys a tour. You see my vanity over there. I'll have to give you guys a tour of my beauty room one day. That's really to come. This vanity that hubby put up for me. It's so gorgeous, and I love it to do my makeup. And you see that when I do my get ready with me's. And yes, we painted this, refreshed this little vanity, giving you a sneak peek of my jewelry vanity here. And these are some of my very favorite purses that hubby bought for me. One of these, this was a gift from a store owner because of some of the work that we've done in the community, hubby and I. And so this was a beautiful zebra print, and it is real fur. That a gift as a gift to me, and I would accept fur as a gift. This is a beautiful little purse that hubby got for me for Christmas. This was a gift that hubby got for me a couple of years ago for a birthday gift. And yes, and this hubby gave to me last year, this red with the love on it. He gave me that last year, and it had roses in it, and it was so gorgeous. And I've just kept this bucket, and those are the gifts that he gave me this year, the perfume bottles from Marshall's, which were so on a budget and on sale, and I just absolutely love them. And hubby made this for me. I'll probably do a link or upload a video on how he made this for me. This was a beautiful gift that hubby made for me this year, and he designed this out of a tree log, and it's just gorgeous, and some items from Pure One. And so it does not take a lot to add a little glam and Valentine's Day decor to your home or to a beautiful area in your home. And so and it doesn't take a whole lot, and so just a little bit will do, and you can add new items and then shop your home from some old items to refresh it and to give it a little refresh that says I love you to everyone who enters it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed my little refresh for Valentine's Day of my beauty room. I sure did. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I really love it. I'm sitting at my desk now and I can see it, and it's just gorgeous. And it says I love you. It says Valentine's Day, and it's just enough for me. Just enough bling, just enough beautifulness. I mean, just enough elegance for me, because I don't like to overdo it. A lot of times with my decor, I do like to add accents, but I don't like to overdo it. I just want to add a touch of elegance so that people know, and that when we walk by, we can get a joy out of it, from this changing yet elegant and beautiful, glamorous decor. And so it's a beautiful gem that I've added, and I'm absolutely loving it. Well, as I said, I'm welcoming you guys as beautiful gems and members of the family, old and new. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you'll want to stick around for the newbies because, you know, the OGs are balling and bougie on a budget, having a lot of fun over here on this channel. A lot of positivity. We also do thrifting, and we do a lot of fun. And so I sure hope you'll join us in that, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. All right, so I do want to thank Bella and Deborah and Kylie for hosting this wonderful, amazing challenge. I sure had fun finding Valentine's Day decor for my family, for my beauty room to enjoy. And I also want to thank my hubby, who really supports me and who just loves me so much, for buying me this little Valentine's gift. And I love you, boo. I really do. All right, guys, be sure to check out all of the ladies who are participating in this collab. And I pray that you're getting all of the love that you want in your life, and that you're open to receive all of the love, all of the joy, all of the goodness and glamorous and luxe and beauty and wonderful, beautiful gems that are coming to you and that already exist in your life. Have gratitude first for the things that already exist in your life. And that's the way to create and to have and to welcome more love, more goodness, more prosperity, more opportunity into your life. And so on this Valentine's Day, during this Valentine's season, during this season of love and of joy, make sure that you're recognizing how much you love yourself and how amazing you are, because you're amazing, you're wonderful, you're talented, you're beautiful, and you are loved. And if nobody else tells you today, hear me. I love you. All right? I love you. You're amazing. All right, guys, I gotta run, but I'll be back, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, guys. Love you. Oh, and these Dollar Tree roses really do add a lot of bling and glam to this decor.